In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Monopoly Go account. This may be due to the in-app purchase getting out of hand, or perhaps you're just craving a break from the virtual real estate market. Whatever your reason, follow the steps and you learn how you can delete your account on Monopoly Go. So to get started, go ahead and open Monopoly Go and tap on the top right corner of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and click on Settings, and this will take you to Settings. Now at the bottom of Settings, go ahead and click on the Manage Account button to be able to get redirected into this section. Now click on Account Deletion to be able to proceed with the next steps. Now this will redirect you into this page where you'll need to click on the Delete My Account button. Now in this area, you'll need to provide your name and your email, the email that you used to create your Monopoly Go account. You just need to answer this form and provide the reason why you want to delete your account on Monopoly Go. Now once you're done with that, you just need to confirm the deletion, and once you have confirmed the deletion of your account, you can successfully delete your account on Monopoly Go. And that is how you can simply delete your account on Monopoly Go. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.